بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وأصحابه ومن والاه. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will be discussing the definite and indefinite ismun. We will start off with an English example. We have two words, the pen and a pen. The pen and a pen. So the pen refers to a definite pen. So if someone says bring the pen, they mean a specific pen. If someone says bring a pen, they mean bring any pen. So in English, the word the pen would be definite, and the word a pen would be indefinite. So we're going to learn the Arabic equivalent of that, inshallah. So in Arabic, the word al, or the letters alif, lam, al at the beginning of a word means the. So if you see an al, this would make the word definite. For example, we have the word al-qalamu. Al-qalamu, we see an al at the beginning of the word, therefore we would say the pen. If there is no al at the beginning of a word, we are going to translate it as a or an, and this would make the word indefinite. For example, the word qalamun has no al at the beginning, therefore we will translate it as a pen. So in summary, when a word has al at the beginning, it is definite and we will translate it as the. When a word has no al at the beginning, we will translate it as a and it would be indefinite. Before starting an exercise, we're going to learn the Arabic terms for definite and indefinite. So the Arabic term for definite is ma'rifah. Ma'rifah equals definite. And the Arabic term for indefinite is nakira. Nakira. Nakira means indefinite. So take a moment, pause the video, and then for each word on the list, decide whether it is ma'rifah, definite, or whether it is nakira, indefinite. So pause the video and just do that now, inshallah. Let's go through the answers. So the first word is going to be al-baytu. Al-baytu. We learned in the previous slide that if a word has al, alif, lam, it means the. So this al-baytu, the word al-baytu would be definite. The word al-baytu would be definite and would translate as the house. Then we have the next word baytun. We see there's no al at the beginning, therefore the word baytun is going to be nakira, indefinite. And it would translate as a house. The next word kitaban. Kitaban, we check the beginning of the word, we see no al, therefore the word kitaban is going to be nakira, indefinite. And the translation of kitaban would be a book. The next word is al-kitaba. And we have the word al, the letters al at the beginning, therefore it will be ma'rifah and it translate as the book. The next one is al-madrasa. The al is the, so al-madrasa, the would make the word definite, therefore it would be ma'rifah. Al-madrasa would be ma'rifah and would translate as the school. Finally, we have the word madrasatin. Madrasatin again has no al at the beginning, therefore madrasatin would be indefinite and would translate as a school. So there we have it, some examples of ma'rifah, which all begin with al, and nakira, which all have no al at the beginning. If we look closely at these two lists, we also notice something else. We notice that the words that are nakira have no al, and at the same time they always have tanween at the end. They have an, in, two dhammas, two fathas, or two kasras at the end. So the nakira words will always have no al at the beginning and will have a tanween at the end. If we look at the ma'rifah words, they will have an al at the beginning and at the end there will be no tanween. For example, al-baytu, al-kitaba, al-madrasati, all of them have al at the beginning and no tanween at the end. So this is a pattern that we can recognize when it comes to definite and indefinite words. So finally, just to test your knowledge, take a moment, pause the video, and then translate all the words on the right hand column. For example, translate the word definite into Arabic. Translate the word indefinite into Arabic. Translate the word waladun into English, and translate the word al-bintu into English as well. Take a moment and do that now, inshaAllah. So the word definite would translate as ma'rifa. The word definite would translate as ma'rifa. The word indefinite would translate as nakira. The word indefinite would translate as nakira. The word waladun, we see there's no al at the beginning, therefore we translate waladun as a boy. A boy, and waladun would of course be nakira. The word al-bintu, has an al at the beginning, therefore we would translate it as the girl, and it would be ma'rifa. Finally, one exception to the rule. We look at the word Muhammadun. So the word Muhammadun has no al at the beginning and ends with a tanween. But the word Muhammadun we know is a proper noun. In other words, the word Muhammad means Muhammad and refers to a specific person. Therefore, it's a proper noun. So the rules learned today do not apply to proper nouns. In other words, all words that begin with al and have no tanween are definite, and all words that have no al at the beginning and end with tanween are indefinite, except for proper nouns. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.